Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful card using the Fitting Florets collection, only available during November. All right, here's my first Fitting Florets card sneak peek, but first I got to tell you about the awesome seasonal sale. It's the annual catalog only, and it's November 15th through 18th. It's 10% off all punches, 15% off all stamps except for host stamps, 20% off all dies, 20% off all embossing folders, and 20% off the designer series paper, not including the specialty and the assortment paper. This is the best sale that I have seen Stampin' Up! Do, so definitely make sure you take a look. I'm just going to put November 15 through 18 right here, okay, so that you remember. So go to my website, check it out, use the host code. If you place a $50 order, you get a free gift and also my exclusive stamp tutorials, so make sure to check that out. Back to the card. Okay, so I have used the parts of the, let's see, gotta get myself together, Fitting Florets collection, which includes the Framed Florets bundle, which will be available in the next mini catalog starting in January. So this bundle will be available, but right now Stampin' Up! Is offering some extras as part of the collection. The first is the Framed and Festive stamp set. This is a lovely stamp set with lovely Christmas and holiday greetings. We also have the gold swirls embellishments, so pretty, and the Fitting Florets designer series paper with these really lovely color combination that I would not have thought of, and the dies cut out these flowers right here. So really cool when the dies coordinate like that. Okay, so for this card, I have started with our polished pink card base. So here I have a piece of the designer series paper that is 3 3/4 by 5 that I'm just going to adhere down flat. And then my basic white piece is 1/8 of an inch smaller. So let me see, that would be 3 5/8 by 4 7/8. And we're gonna do some stamping first. So I'm going to use this as a guide because I want to know about where I'm going to place this. And I'm just going to use a pencil. To draw around where the oval is going to be. And I just want to erase it a little bit so that it's super faint. Because I noticed once I stamped over the pencil line, I wasn't able to erase it after I colored. So we'll see. I'm gonna erase it fully after I color, but just give it a little bit lighter look. Okay, so we're gonna start with the flowers. So the flowers are in polished pink, and we're gonna start with the large flower. And we're gonna do a large flower up here, and we'll do one over here, and then one down here. Now we're gonna do the small flower, and we're just gonna add maybe one, let's do right here, and we'll add one here. Now I'm gonna add some soft succulent leaves. So we'll put a whole bunch up here. And then, ooh, how do I stick this in? We'll do some down there and a whole bunch down here. And I just want to add a little bit of evening evergreen. Go up here. And go over here. Now I'm going to color, oh, no, I forgot. I'm going to erase. So I want to erase this a little bit more before I start to color. Make sure that I can't see any of the lines. So I'm going to color the flowers with the dark first. All right, now we have everything colored. So we're going to do a little bit of embossing in white. We're going to emboss the thank you. I'm just going to grab the embossing buddy. And I'm going to stamp this over to the left. Okay, I have that embossed now. So I'm just going to add it to the card. I'm going to add another bow, and then I'm going to add some gold twine. Super fun. And I'm just going to tie 3 bows. So I'm going to wind it around the other bow. All right, now that I've created my big, huge bow extravaganza, twist it a little bit so that it doesn't cover the sentiment. And then we'll add some dimensionals on the back, and we'll add some tape to hold that in place. And we'll turn it this way so that the thank you is kind of straight. And the last fun step is to add some of the gold swirls. And there is my Fitting Florets thank you card. As always, As always, I'm offering a free card class when you purchase the bundle or place a $50 order using my current host code. There will be supplies for 6 cards, 2 of each of these 3 designs. And I also have a couple more cards to show you from this collection, just to show you the variety that's possible. So this is the one that we made in my live today. And this is one that I got in a swap. This is a gatefold card that I got in my swap. I've removed the belly band. I love how she put the embossing on the belly band. And then the card is decorated with the gorgeous paper. And then I have this card that I created on vellum. And this card. And a polished pink and gold card. And a Christmas card where I colored the little berries with the polished pink. Thanks so much for watching my video tutorial on this card using the Fitting Florets collection, only available during November. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like and leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you know every time I go live or post a new video. Thanks again, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.